Hi there, welcome back. Happy Saturday. I don't have my microphone in yet, but it's lunchtime and the fluffy little black curly haired tenant in the house here, who is quite demanding, is demanding her LUNCH. But I really wanted to do this thing right now while it's in my head. So I'm going to do it, and then we will have some LUNCH. And then I will finish a full video. I know how to attach them together now. All right. I got this really cool book that's going to be a really cool journal one day from my crush. She gave it to me. She's crazy, but I'll take it. She doesn't want it. I'll take it. It's full of all kinds of good stuff. See, I like to try and remember. And it's just full of good stuff. Oh, let's see what they originally wanted. I love that, because you know she didn't pay that for it. Or I hope she didn't. I hope she got in a box of stuff. Knowing my girl, she did. Anyhow, it's got in some of the places, it's a little city directory. And it's got some little tabs in some of the areas, some cute little tabs. And so I already pulled one out. Oh, 1961. Oh, boy. Shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. Catherine, what were you thinking? I know it's from Nancy, because she knows I like this sort of stuff. I don't need that. Anyhow, it's more like a business directory, but I guess they sort of in a way reprinted it, and some people didn't pay their fee for the following year, and they took out the black marker and blacked them out before they went out. But, you know, you don't pay your bill, you don't get put in the book. It's the way it works. Anyhow, I already pulled one out because it says Homer on it. First I thought it said Holmes, but it says Homer. So it's the Homer Classified Business Directory. So I want that. I want that in my book. In my book. So I just thought I want it as a tab, but I want it sticking out even more. And I love my width, and I want some of this. And I thought about tearing it. And then I thought, I got a whale tail punch now. So this is a folio. And I am going to do a little cheat. So let me see if I can come down closer. There we go. And I am going to marry up, see these little pointies here? I'm going to marry up the edge of the paper with the pointies. Let me stand up because my phone is in the way, so I might be louder now. Oh boy, this is going to be tricky. We're up for it. We can do it. We can do it. There, we did it. All right. All right, so the rest of this is still extremely useful. We can have fun with that. 1961, that's awesome. That's 1 year old. All right, which one? Coffee? Let's go coffee. Let's go coffee. All right, little brush. If I have to, I'll go darker. Because it's yellow, I think it needs darker. Sorry, coffee. Let's go potting soil. Yay, potting soil. Come on, you can do it. You can do. That's better. Potting soil was up for the task. Sorry if it's jiggling. My new phone holder is clamped to my desk, and that's just the way it is. So when I vigorously ink, which side looks better? Because I have my choice. Oh, I like that side better. Arnold's. All right. Then we will ink around the edges. So this is just a sneaky way. And where did I decide I wanted to put this? I wanted to put it somewhere here. I think I wanted to put it on this one. I've got my horse head up there, which is movable. So I'm not going to let the horse head bother me. I think I want it about here so that it peeks out between in there. I want it peeking out. So, and I want it on a page wide enough that sticks out. Let's see, that's sticking out a bit more. Maybe I want it on page 9 or signature 9. Hence my reason for, no, I still like that one. Signature 8, you win the lottery today. Pencil. I want to center. I'm going to draw a line because it will get covered up. Oh, this is going to look good. I'm so excited. All right, so that's going on the back. This is going on the front, but Homer is on both sides. I wonder if I can lift that. I don't want it. No, you know what? I'm not risking it. I'm not risking it. All right, art glitter. You know what? I know. It's just me. As my husband likes to say, if I mention anything, the man is like nearly perfect. Practically perfect. He's like Mary Poppins. But if there is something I dare say, you know, about something, he'll say, look, you're not going to change me now. And you said yes to the dress. So me and ink, if you're still watching, you said yes to the dress. All right. So let's say yes to the glue here. Haven't used it yet this morning. I've been doing other things. All right, so I don't want it flat. I want it there. So I really didn't need to glue the whole back, but we'll get that used anyways. So I really only need to glue this part. Because, let me move this, there's already glue up top. And there we go. Oh, I'm in love. I hope I put it up right. I put them on upside down before. So that's a very, very realistic possibility. Yeah, I'm happy. That's Homer's sticking out there like a sore thumb. I love it. That's really, really good. Homer will not be in the shade down there. Look at that. I guess I could have put you a little lower. I wonder if it's too late. Do you think it's too late? I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Oh, maybe I'm a little afraid. I'm afraid. No. We'll leave it. I think I could have put it a little lower. Because if I go lower, will that side come up? Is it still wet? That's the thing about art glitter glue. You've committed. That side's come up. All right, so you're watching a whole come on, we can do it. We can do it. Yes, we did it. All right, that won't show. Now I'm going to try and carefully open this. Come on, carefully open it. Yes. All right, and then we'll go back in again. None of that'll matter because that'll all get covered up. So let's do it again. This might turn into a whole video all on its own. Meanwhile, the dog's over there going, I'm starving. Really doesn't need this much glue. Not that rough on my books, but can I pull it apart anymore? Yes. All right, so in it goes. Yeah, I bet you were all yelling at your screen saying, Catherine, don't stick it out that far. That's okay, we fixed it. We're flexible that way, right? We are adaptable. And we did it. Homer survived to see another day. Yes, love it. Now let's see again. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Homer's still sticking out. Looking handsome. Love you, Homer. When I hear the name Homer, most people think of Homer Simpson. I've never seen The Simpsons. I know that's probably going to shock a lot of you, but I've never seen The Simpsons. I've also never seen Married with Children. But that's another stage of my life. But I think of that movie with Homer Hickam when they made the rocket. Oh, what a good movie. September. Oh, it's going to drive me nuts. I'm going to go make lunch, find out the name of the movie. True story about Homer Hickam. Such a good movie. So good. It's like right up there with, on my scale with The Sandlot. Only this movie with Homer Hickam is true. It really happened. Okay. All right. I'm going to go have some lunch. I'll be back. I have decided that there will be 2 videos today. So because I've already taped the next video and it's 30 minutes long and I just don't see the point in a 45-minute video. That's just cruel and inhuman treatment to you all. So I'll see you a little bit later for something a little bit longer. And in the meantime, I hope you'll hit the like. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope you'll hit subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye.